Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in my WeBull investing series. So as you know, I'm trying to build my portfolio to get to over $25,000 so I could day trade. And these are my current positions on the screen now. And I decided that I'm going to start uploading maybe every 2 days or every 3 days, a little bit of updates, like maybe 2 videos a week. So this is going to be another update video, either 2 videos a week or if something huge happens. So since the last time I uploaded a video, my portfolio balance at that time was 3,200, like 3,250, I think. And today we made some huge gains. So just going to my performance. If you just look at it at a 5-day chart, you can see that I made a profit of $500 for the last 5 days. And going back, you could just see my current positions. As you can see, THCX, it's a cannabis ETF that's been doing fantastic. So if you guys aren't aware of how to do research on WeBull, you could just click on the stock, and then you can go at the bottom right, go to quotes, and then you could just see how well the stock is performing. And then at the bottom, you can see news. This is one of my favorite parts about WeBull. You could just see a quick glance to all the headlines. And if you'd like, you just click on one of the headlines and it'll just bring you directly to that news article. So if you guys have not already signed up for a WeBull account, feel free to use my referral link and get some free stocks. So going back, we are at a $450 profit on the cannabis ETF. Upwork was still at 200, SBE still at 200, and ZOM. This is one of the penny stocks that I actually decided to purchase, and we did have a little bit of a dip that brought us down a little bit, and so far it is back on track. At one point we had a profit of around $100 on ZOM. Because there's some positive news going out. They are releasing something in March. And again, just keep in mind, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, just some random guy investing on the internet. Be sure to do your own research before you purchase any stocks. Another stock I decided to put some money into is MJ. This is another cannabis related stock here and performing really well. Everything within that market did fantastic today. ZYNE, it's a pharmaceutical company that is also oddly doing pretty well. It used to be a penny stock, but I was able to purchase it at the price point of $6.18. GTE, which is another penny stock that I decided to buy into. We're currently showing a profit of 27%. So let's see here. Find out some additional information for you guys. It's an energy company. Like I said, I'm finding most of these penny stocks on the penny stocks Reddit. So feel free to go over there to do some of your research. And at the very bottom, I decided to purchase another cannabis related stock. So doing pretty well. We're up almost $400 since I last uploaded a video. And we're just going to hold these positions for a little bit. I might sell ZOM closer to March, or if any big moves happens from now till then. And I'm not sure if I'm going to upload another portfolio update or if I'll upload some sort of tutorial this week, but we shall see. But yeah, let me know what some of your crazy moves are for this week and any penny stocks that we should be looking into, or any other stocks that you think will do well. I want to start a little community of people who are interested in investing in stocks and maybe potentially day trading at some point. We'll see. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.